In a small town nestled among rolling hills, three teenagers, Lily, Ethan, and Maya, chanced upon a life-changing discovery. While exploring an abandoned mansion's attic, they found an old, dusty mirror that shimmered with barely perceptible enchantment. Gazing into it, they were shocked to see a world unlike their own, filled with mythical creatures and mysterious landscapes. One fateful night, the mirror's magic pulled them into this otherworldly dimension. The teens found themselves in an enchanted land surrounded by fantastical beings and vibrant nature. As they adapted to this strange environment, they discovered unique powers tied to their personalities. Lily, with her nurturing spirit, found she could control plants, making flowers bloom and trees grow at her command. Ethan, known for his bright and optimistic demeanor, could manipulate light, creating blinding flashes or soothing illuminations. Maya, always empathetic and kind towards animals, found she could communicate with them, understanding their needs and desires. They soon learned that the land was in peril, threatened by an evil sorcerer named Malgath who sought to drain its magic for his own nefarious purposes. The kingdom's inhabitants, from wise old centaurs to mischievous fairies, looked to the teenagers for salvation. Guided by wisdom from a sagacious owl and strength from a fierce dragon, the trio embarked on a quest to thwart Malgath's plans. Their journey led them through enchanted forests, where trees whispered secrets of ancient times, and across ancient castles inhabited by ghosts of brave knights. They climbed treacherous mountains, solving age-old puzzles and facing fearsome creatures conjured by Malgath's dark magic. As they navigated these trials, their powers grew stronger, and so did their friendship. In the climactic battle, they confronted Malgath within his obsidian tower. With plants binding his movement, blinding light disorienting him, and animals attacking relentlessly, the teens united their abilities to overpower the sorcerer and shatter his dark crystal, the source of his power.